Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading. How are you doing today? I'm glad to come your way again. Uh, Quickly this morning, as you can see on my screen, I want to show you how you can use this band and the combination of the indicator that I've combined together too that are profitable. I've tried to look for other indicator in order to complement the band indicator because if you use the band only, if you use the band only to trade, uh, most time you might record a loss or hit your stop loss before the market actually go your direction. So most of the time, the band might keep on bending down and you keep on losing your money. So I decided to look for other indicators that does not repeat that will be able to complement and confirm the signal generated by this band. So this in strategy, you can use it on any time frame you like. As you can see, I'm on 1 hour time frame right now, and you can use it on any time frame. Before I move on, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do that and do like the video. Drop your comment and join me on Telegram group so that you can have access to this strategy. All right. Having said that, let's move on and let's try and check this system, how accurate it is, and how you can use it to actually make money trading forex or anything you want to trade at all on MT4. This is for MT4 strategy, MT4 platform rather. All right, this is GU, and if you see right now, here is the band at the upper band now. We have this wheel, this signal that look like wheel that actually give us a signal for a sell, because once this the candle touches the upper band, I mean the upper band touches the upper band, and we have this. Normally we're supposed to take a trade, but if you take that trade, the market went down a bit and didn't hit our take profit at all, it didn't go far, and uh, move up again, push a little bit up or again, and now at the band again, and then we have this indicator that look like we giving us a sell, and at this time we are not going to sell. The reason is this: we have the other indicator here, and we have this indicator. This indicator does not repaint. As you can see, this is the ball for a buy signal. This was the first one at the lower band here. This was in agreement with this for a buy, but I didn't buy immediately, and that's why I have to look for other indicator to actually complement it. And that's why I'm using this indicator right now. This does not repeat also in order to complement these two indicators, so that we make sure whenever we enter a trade, most of the time we are going to hit our take profit. We are going to actually make money from trading you're from trading that particular pairs and using this strategy to actually trade. All right, so let's try now check the history and see how accurate it is. And before we check the history, this is how we use it. Number one, for a buy signal, this strategy, this candles must touch the lower band and this blue color. Now we have the blue colors here, the lower band, and then we have this indicator. Once it touches the lower band, and we have this blue wheel arrow that is giving us a buy signal. And the next thing we are going to do to look at to actually take that trade, we are going to check the two indicator. Number one, this one is in agreement, actually confirm this. And at this point, but this has not confirmed, so we wait for this indicator to actually give us a signal, confirm these two other settings for us to actually take this trade. Immediately we get that this confirm it at this point, and then we are going to place our take we are going to place our buy order at this point, because at this point we have everything in agreement, and our take profit is going to be the upper band. It's going to be the upper band. It's either you take this upper band of this, or you target this this place, and make your profit. So here right now, and this actually deliver well. And let's move back a bit. At this point, we have this touching the upper band, touching all the upper band. Then when you look at the indicators, they are down. The indicators window, this actually confirming turn to red at the second one. This is the first, this second one turns to red. So and this actually confirm it also. At this point, we place a trade also for a set, and the take profit is going to be lower band, either this or this one, and you actually make money trading that. And once we hit that, there's a little pullback, but we didn't have any indication that the trend will actually reverse at this point. This does not confirm. At this point, we have further confirmation that the trend still continue, and that's why we have this one. So if we move back a bit also, and here it is, it does not repent, it's accurate if you allow the all the indicators to actually confirm this trend before you place your order. And this is 1 hour. Let's check 15 minutes, and this is 15-minute time frame, and we have a lot of this win indicator giving us a sell signal, and this confirming, but this other indicator does not uh, confirm this sell signal, and we have a pull, and the market keep on pushing upward until this point that this confirm it, and we have further confirmation here to actually place a sell. And yes, is another one again. This doesn't confirm it, and at this point right now we have a sell signal for this for GU, but this indicator is yet to confirm this signal. And when you look at the other indicator here, most of the time frames are actually from 1 minute to 1 month. Only 5 minutes and 1 week and weekly our time frame is red, others are red, so others are green rather. So we still have we are still in the up trend. So this is how you use this. Let's check another currency, and here is another PS. This is G chef, and we have a sell at this point, but this does not confirm this signal until this point. And here's another buy, and this actually give us buy here at this point. This was an agreement, and we took this trade. And here's another one, a sell, and we are waiting for this to actually give us a signal, because most of these time frame are still green. And here's 1 hour of the same pairs, and we have buy here at this point. And here is another one also, this confirming, and we have a serious buy here. And here's another one, we have this confirming and this confirming, and this is why we have this sell. So let's try another. Let's look at gold, and here is gold also, 1 hour time frame, and we have a buy signal here from this indicator, and this confirmation, but this was not in agreement until this particular point, and we have further confirmation here, and this actually went up, and here is a downtrend. From this point we have a downtrend here, this confirm it, but this was not in agreement until this particular point. And at this point uh, it actually delivered and went down serious down from this point. We have a good move. That's like 31 pips. So that's a cool cash, and this is 5 minutes. You can use it on any time frame at all. It does not. These two indicator does not repeat and does not uh, does not recalculate. It will not disappear. But this, so just make sure everything's in agreement before you actually place your trade. So this is how we use this strategy. Is actually a good one. You can use it on any time frame and on any pairs at all. And here is it, DJ, yes, Euro USD, yes, Euro USD, not in agreement yet with this every other thing. This is an agreement, this is an agreement, we are waiting for this. And here is another one sell, and we have everything in agreement at this point. The strategy actually work well on any time frame. Just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to give you this template with my settings. Just subscribe and like the video. Chat me up on Telegram group. I'm going to drop my Telegram link under the description. Just make sure you chat me up and you have this for free. Do enjoy the rest of your day, dear trader, and bye for now.